Alright, so I have this spread completed and I wanted to come back because it's such a quick process video and talk to you a little bit about where I'm at for my Project Life 2019. Okay, and I also wanted to tell you that I decided to switch these two cards since they are so bold, and also move this card right here, and then it keeps a nice visual triangle, which I really love. And I just love scrapbooking October. It's so much fun in Project Life to scrapbook October. I love all the rich colors. And let's talk about my Project Life 2019. This spread right here means that I have completed October. And I've also completed November. I'm gonna move these aside in just a second and I'll show you. But November and October are finished. So all I have left is December of 2019, and I'm so excited. So I'll do the rest of this album in November, and then I can do a full walkthrough. So I'm so excited. Put these back in the pockets, and then I can show you October and November real quick. Okay, I got the photos into the page protectors back here, so I'll just show you October and November. So this is the decor that I opened up October with, and my December daily supplies, and then I double die cut this title so that way I could lay it on top and make it more three-dimensional. Then we move into part 1 of October, and I used the Stories by the Month kit, and I cut up a card that said the story of right now, and I put that in a few different places, and I also made a digital card here. The next one is the part 2 that I showed you. I usually like to put another page in between the part 1 for the month and part 2, but it didn't work out that way, so that's okay. These two have flip-ups for journaling. I know that they're gonna be hard to get into, but that's okay. I still think it is a beautiful spread, and I got a lot of stories told, a Project Life spread. And then the next one I just did recently, Halloween activities, and I used just my Stories by the Month stamps, and I used a ton of die cuts that I cut out from an add-on pack, and then also some Color Cast Designs pieces. The next one is Halloween. My mother was here. It was, I think, our last Halloween together, so we did 10 years of Halloween together. We had a parade at the school, and I did a flip out for the title card, something a little different. And then I just included photos throughout the entire day, and my favorite vertical photos I put in here as an insert. So I had 3 of those. And then you have the end of October, and I just did cards that I made on my own, and then 2 from the Stories by the Month kit. I have November, and I did 2 Stories by the Month cards, and then a card right here. Like I said, most of these have process videos, so you can go ahead and check those out. On lots of movies, we started watching The Karate Kid and Claws, and then I added in some information about a school play. And then I did a little adventure, and I used the transition story kit and totally stepped outside of the theme for transitions. And then these 2 pages cover Thanksgiving, and I just did a mix of Stories by the Month, digital pieces, chipboard, and stamping, so just a hodgepodge of everything. And then the last page is the end page, and I did another Thanksgiving photo, and photos with my kids, and then just a recap with this details card. And now I start on December. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this look at October and November and where I'm at with my album. I'd love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you want to keep seeing my videos. All right, have a great day.